Hello friends, in front of me Miss Rupal Jain ji is sitting. She appeared for July 21 exam and she is now a qualified chartered accountant. She had done very well in exam, scoring exemption in SFM subject. She had a special interest on finance. She had covered each and every concept in detailed manner. She joined my satellites classes from Ghaziabad Center. She is the person who knows the importance of practical knowledge, conceptual knowledge. She had done each and every concept, and definitely her marks is speaking. And now she wants to make her career in finance in good corporate life. She wants to go. Many companies are giving him placement offer. Many companies are lining up to hire her, but definitely she is so intelligent that she can make her choice and definitely will choose a field which will suit her. So I just want to ask Miss Rupal how she managed to score such a good marks in SFM, because many students are looking at you and wants your guidance how they can also score an exemption in SFM. Even I want to say that in your attempt, Miss Rupal, our students scored 95% marks, and even our students managed to score 100% marks in past attempts. So how anyone can score good marks in SFM? You can definitely throw some highlights because you have already taken my class. So please guide them so that they can also be motivated.
Hello everyone, my name is Rupal Jain. I have taken classes from Aditya Jain sir from Ghaziabad Center. For taking these classes, I have been recommended by my seniors that Aditya Jain sir is the best faculty for SFM. As a CA final student, no one has that much of knowledge as to from whom faculty he or she have to take classes. So, on their recommendation, I have taken classes from Aditya Jain sir, and after going through the classes and day by day with each and every concept, I was very curious to know SFM more, because as some students thought that it is a very tough subject, but Aditya Jain sir made it a very easy one. I have What I have done for SFM preparation. Now I want to tell you everyone. For the SFM preparation, I have gone through Aditya Jain sir concepts. He explained each and every concept in so much of detail. After that, I have done the example which he had given for all the students. After that, I have done questions from his book. He also had some extra questions in his book for extra practice. So every student must go through it. He has a book, we can say, as a miscellaneous book, and it is a very good book for a student to practice. I have covered theory from Aditya Jain sir notes. It is a self-sufficient notes which cover each and every concept of SFM. After that, after reading through that note, you don't have to visit to ICS study material or some other faculty notes. It is a proper each and every concept binding up in a one folder only. I have only studied from Aditya Jain sir books, ICS study material, and theory book of Aditya Jain sir. So I would recommend each and every student, if you want to build your career in finance and if you want to score such a good marks, even a 100 out of 100 marks, you must have to take classes from Aditya Jain sir. Thank you.
Such a nice explanation, Ms. Rupal. I am definitely sure that many students will follow your guidance. I am
Yes.
giving you all the best wishes for your future achievements, and do let us know your achievements because we will be very happy to share it with our friends, because your
Yes.
achievement will mean a lot to me. It will just is that I have achieved something. So please let us know your future achievements. I'm sure that you will achieve a lot more from here. All the best.